alam mo, at a certain point, you have to let go and say that I've done what I'm supposed to do. Di ba, kasi parang sinasabi mo, pag matanda na, ay, sana ganito siya, umabot siya sa ganyan-ganyan. Okay yun, di ba? Pero at a certain point, kunyari, malaki na sila ngayon. Parang wala ka na magagawa eh. Parang wala ka ng control eh.
Hindi, pero hindi siya sense of loss na may nawala. I think it's a sense of loss because they're no longer physically there. But when you see them do what they're doing and becoming individuals unto themselves, you know that you did something right.
Okay. Alam mo, sabay, parang may loss, pero at the same time, may joy. May joy, di ba?
May mga moments na you will see them get hurt or they're not moving at this trajectory that they want to, yung ganon. And you feel bad. But what do? You encourage them. So it's really a relationship with another adult. And it's, I think to me, ang perspective ko ngayon is it's really more becoming a friendship. Parang you develop a BFF in your children, you know. You're able to start talking about your own feelings and your own challenges, your own joys, and they're able to listen to that and they give opinions. Our kids at least are trying to separate from us, and we are the ones trying to run after them. Natututunan namin is gusto nilang mahirapan kasi it helps them. It's a sense of achievement for them. So, sa tingin namin nahihirapan, pero sa tingin nila masaya sila na ginagawa yun. Eh di okay. Pag may nangyayaring hindi maganda sa mga anak mo, hindi mo maaalis na you question yourself eh. Yung guilt, di ba? Or you second guess yourself. Tama ba yung ginawa ko? Yung tama ba yung pagpapalaki ko? Laging ganon, meron kang at least ako, yung neuroticism ko ganon. Lagi ko yung isip, oh my God, what did I do wrong?